Hey y'all, welcome to this week's vlog. So I have a confession to make and I'm just gonna jump right in, but before that I just want to say thank you to anyone who's ever supported me, who's ever watched a video. Thanks for returning viewers. If you're new here, my name is Kenya. I am just an everyday girl next door trying to become a full-time content creator. I love vlogging, I love content creation in general, all types of content creations. Right now I'm thriving on TikTok in the TikTok shop affiliate program, and I have been slacking on YouTube because I've been trying to build up my TikTok. So if you don't follow me on TikTok and want to see me more often, then make sure you follow me there. Everything is linked below. But yeah, so I've been vlogging, like I have been vlogging, and I feel so terrible about the decision that I'm gonna have to make. I'm gonna have to lose, and again, I wanna jump right into it. So basically, I have vlogged over the last few months when I'm out and about, when I feel like it's something vlog worthy. I pick up my camera and I do vlog. I pick up my phone, I vlog, but the problem is getting it edited, and post it, because not only do I vlog, but like I said, I'm a content creator and I'm thriving there. I'm not really active on Instagram, and I'm just one of those people who have not been able to grasp the concept of being present, actively present on and engaging on all platforms. I completely done away with Facebook, even though I know that um, you can recycle content. So that's what I'm gonna try to start doing. If I don't do anything else, I'm gonna try and start posting short form content more consistently. But anyways, the point of this, and I'm gonna add this in the beginning of this vlog, and it'll all make sense. Okay, so I don't know where my camera cut off, but what I was saying was all of the content that I have from September and October, I'm gonna compress that into one video and insert this there. And then by the time you see this, the next video should certainly be an updated video, because I have like a fall decor, shopping for fall things, like things that I have in my house now that I've recorded and I made content on but haven't posted it. So I'm gonna post this one last old video, so that'll be going on YouTube, and then after that, everything else that I've done, including, except for probably the fall, the cleaning. I did a cleaning vlog, so what I think I might do is do the cleaning vlog and the fall vlog where I did my fall decor. I might put that together, and then everything else is gonna be like just a random vlog. And I'm hoping I can make sense of it, and I'm hoping it doesn't take me long, because I do sit down and edit, but I get distracted with so many things. I do work full time, and my daughter plays sports, and I have a lot of things going on in my life outside of content creation. So yeah, with all that being said, I hope that it makes sense. I hope that this gives me some relief, it relieves some stress, and just me thinking like, oh my God, because it's been making me feel like, why are you vlogging? Like, why are you vlogging this stuff when you are 2 months behind, like 3 months behind? And yeah, I think the best thing to do is this. I saw this video, and it was a very popular content creator, and she basically was saying the same thing, that she had been MIA for a while, but she had been vlogging and she had content, but when she sat down and thought about it, it didn't make sense to jump in where she was and post the old stuff, because it was just outdated. And I'm feeling that way, so I'm gonna try and make it like a run-on vlog and cut out the parts that don't need to be in there. And yeah, we're gonna start fresh, because I'm almost done. I know I'm rambling, but I am working towards being clutter-free in my house, in my mind, at work, in my daily life, my content. I want to be clutter free. I want to be organized. I want to be happy, and I want everything to flow in happiness. And I know it's not going to be easy, but I just want to feel less stressed about the things in my life. And a way to do that is to be caught up, at least as close as I can get. And another thing, I want to post in real time, and I can't do that if I'm posting. Oh, so for example, in this vlog that I'm about to post, all I got to do is add my music to it, and then I'm done. If I make vlogs, I want to be able to post that within a week, or within the same week, or at least for the next week. Like, I don't want to be more than a week behind. And I want to start the new year off right. And I'm also planning on doing Vlogmas. So that's another reason why I need to get all of this out, so that when I do Vlogmas, that's the only thing that I'm focusing on. I'm just hopeful. I'm grateful. I see big things in my future, and I know that the only way that I'm going to be able to do those things in order and and just be happy and fulfill my passion and all of those things is if I organize my life, starting with this content, and take this serious. So I'm going to insert this here. Hopefully all of that I said prior to my camera cutting off again. Hopefully it got some of that. If not, then I'm going to have to make it work. Just know that if you watch a video and it seemed like it's skipping all over the place, it's because I gathered multiple weeks of content and pushed them all into one, and pressed them all into one. So